and welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest images not slowing or blurry. This is usually a soul connection or a cache issue, so let's fix it. First of all, you're going to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it back on after a few seconds. Then make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi to rule out network issues. After that, we're going to go to the settings and then search for Pinterest, and then make sure you have allowed full access for the photos in Pinterest. After that, restart the app by clearing it away fully and then reopening it. This clears temporary glitches and it will also reload all the images. After that, update to the newest Pinterest version for better image loading. Avoid using VPN that slow image loading. Quick fix: clear Safari history if images won't load inside the built-in browser. And that's it. Subscribe for more YouTube videos. Subscribe for more